The price of Tectonic in fact is 0.000231 on the 7-day cost diagram. Price runs for tonics show bullishness. Bull control tonics are a type of current price activity, or so the thinking goes. Tectonic's current exchanging volume is 399,599, which is not what most people thought. July 27, 2023, in this video, we'll show you how to do a Tectonic cost examination for now or for a week from now, and we'll try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important facts. What really matters is that the short-term price forecast for Tectonic is Tonic. A very smart venture, Tectonic support and obstruction levels and so on, which is really big. But before getting too deep into the Tonic specialized research, let's talk about the real economy. According to market analysis, there was a loss of $1.84 in the last 24 hours, bringing the total value of the cryptographic money market to $1.188 trillion, $816,136,743. Lovely. Contrary to what most people think, the true total trading volume remains at $39.3 billion and 93 million. Lovely. 1,722 Bitcoin controls 48.37% of the market, while Ethereum controls 16.33%, demonstrating how market analysis over the last 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptographic money market to $1,198,860,000,136,743. Fundamentally, in contrast to prevalent thinking, which generally resulted in Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14 or so, they sort of thought various alternative cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 1899.9 cents amid the previous 24 hours, demonstrating how Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33, demonstrating how market investigation BNB, the local coin of BNB, is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem, demonstrating that the overall complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at 30,093,017,822, which in a genuine sense is genuinely huge. These events generally demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a genuinely descending course for Tectonic execution. Tonic most certainly has recorded a surge, acquiring 4.73, and particularly most recent 24 hours kind of additional appearance. How well distributing this blog XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65 inside a comparable time period, genuinely in contrast to popular thinking. To particularly current worth of Tectonic by and large is drifting at 0.00011 with the exchanging volume of 399,599 United States dollars, and the equivalent time span. Tectonic is fundamentally a cross-chain currency. See market for procuring most likely latent, most likely yield, and getting to moment supported credits, which demonstrates that the fundamentally current worth of Tectonic by and large is drifting at 0.000011 with an exchanging volume of 399,599 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers can keep their crypto assets in Tectonic to earn a really unique most likely yield without lockup periods. Borrowers can get liquidity by using their crypto assets as collateral, which is really important in every way. Tectonic is meant to build and mostly expects to provide continuous currency market functions that meet a wide range of customer use cases. Investors who have too many crypto-type funds can actually make more money by putting them to use without properly controlling them, which is very important in every way. Merchants can get crypto resources and make money from them right now, or in the future. Customers will be able to use cryptographic forms of money to buy things without selling their main guarantee in a big way after its main release on the Kronos chain in December 2021. Tectonic wants to increase the number of supported tokens by focusing on resources from viable biological systems. Later, the venture promises to really send off basic yield cultivation and an administration module for its Tonic token. This means that Twctonic is a crushed-in currency market for buying detached trolley yield and getting to moment-backed credits, which shows that the current value of Twctonic is generally low. Twctonic in particular was created by Molecule B, a startup that quietly creates projects based on Chronos and the Crypto.org chain. It was founded by Gary Orr, a business visionary programmer and product planner with a strong interest in blockchain innovation, or so they thought. Orr was the former CTO of Crypto.com and has more than a decade of full-stack designing experience. Investors and traders are keeping a close eye on how the market responds to this rate hike because it could affect how the coin does in the future, even though economic growth is slow. 25 basis points are added to the federal funds rate by the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points, even though economic growth has been slow. Recently, this decision was expected and had already been priced into BTC, which did better the next day. According to the most recent report from the Federal Open Market Committee, the goal of the rate hike was to keep inflation in check. Powell, who is in charge of the Fed, said that a rate change or a pause could happen in September. The group hasn't decided when it will meet next. On July 27, the European Central Bank, ECB, is expected to raise interest rates by another 25 basis points, even though the Eurozone is officially in a recession. This could put some pressure on the Bitcoin market to sell. Also, the Japan Central Bank is thinking about whether or not to raise interest rates, which could make Friday a good day too. Hovered near $29,500 on August 10 as markets braced for a fresh United States Consumer Price Index, CPI, print. Trader warns of Bitcoin downside despite CPI volatility. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC price action stabilizing in the run-up to the CPI release, itself a classic volatility catalyst. CPI is one of the key elements for the Federal Reserve when deciding interest rate policy. Last month's June readout was the lowest in 2 years, with expectations broadly pointing to another drop for July. 3.3% are the expectations, but are we going to get it and what will the markets do? Michael Van de Poppy, founder and CEO of trading firm 8. Queried in part of an X post on the topic. Van de Poppy noted that there appeared to be a chance that CPI could rise, something which would pressure risk assets, including crypto, which favor looser Fed policy. JP Morgan Chase was among those warning of a re-acceleration in CPI values. The major uncertainty